Slinging Venom back again. As I said before, I have the omegamon model kit, or omnimon for some of you that know him by the English name. And, well, it's time to crack it open and see what is inside. So I haven't really watched any reviews on the kit itself because every time I wanted to watch it, it just made me more meh because I wanted it even more. But I did watch one review last night of the kit, and frankly, I don't care about the feedback. I don't care what anyone says about it. It is one of my favorite Gundam. Digimon, not Gundam. Digimon, Digimon kit. I've been wanting it for some time. It's here, finally. I don't know what batteries this needs. Probably AA. No, my luck. Which I do not have AA. Beat that marker. Is there anything else I need? Probably tweezers. Hold on, like 2 tweezers. Ow. So, let's open the box up. Put the lid back there. First 7 runners. Huh. I thought that was a sticker. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the sword. I'm definitely going to panel line that sword with the marker, because I don't think the stickers will do it justice. But probably what I'll end up doing is painting that sword silver and then filling in the symbol decals with the black marker to give it more of a finesse pop. I don't know. Woo. As I'm just dropping them. Oh, there's the back. His cape, which honestly I don't like. So the eyes for the main head, the jewel, the eyes for Melgarumon's head, the eyes for Grandmon's head, and a few other things. Put off to the side. Put out the box. What's this? What's this? Oh, just how to, yeah, go over. Alright. Here comes the fun part. Alright guys, we are back. I timed it. Took me 30 minutes to build it. Not bad. The only thing I didn't add to it was the sword stickers, because honestly I think they're cheesy. I just took a black sharp Gundam marker wherever I put it, and colored in the spots where those were supposed to be. But you know what? Posability is excellent. The arms are kind of stiff, So you gotta have to work with them a little bit. So, let's see. Try and do this without disrupting the camera. Again, the jaw open is quite difficult. There's the normal cannon. Small barrel. And then here is the Supreme Cannon. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, it's Supreme Cannon. There's the Supreme Cannon. And then Wargreymond's head. Comes up. Open the mouth. Insert the transcending sword. And then close. Posability on him is really awesome. I can put him in a couple poses and be happy with it. There we go. As the small cannon drops. I mean, he's sturdy. Size comparison. That's to be a hard thing to do because, as you guys know, they're on the wall. But let's see if we can actually get Wargreymon down here in a second. So everything left over is the small cannon. I did find a few pieces. I'm not sure where they go. I'm gonna go back through the manual and see where they go. I'm thinking they're for the horns over here. I don't know. I hate when they do that. They give you extra pieces and you're like, well, what am I supposed to do with those? And the only other thing is for a base adapter, which I can't wait because he's going up on the wall here in a little bit. But all in all, I really like it. The color scheme, meh. The main problem I have is this head. That does not look like Wargreymond's head a little bit, but yet it's blown up into a giant freaking hand. So, yeah, let's bring back the camera just a tad bit. Oh. And now we take down the Wargreymon. Again, standing side by side. There's a size comparison. I should tell you, he's really not that big, but yet, let's get my 30-minute mission kit and put him right here. That should say how big he is. I'll put you back up there for zombie. But all in all, I love it. Just having him as a small kit is awesome. Having Wargreymon is awesome. And there's two others coming out that I cannot wait to get. My favorite Digimon of all time, hands down. I don't care what anyone says. You can fight with me all you want. Black Wargreymon's coming out. And then Melgarumon's coming out. I kind of want Black Wargreymon first. Because he will be my star piece out of all my mall kits. And I'm gonna set Gundam. Well, they're made by Bandai, so... But yet, they're Digimon. Alright, well, this is Web Slinging Venom signing off for now. Hit that like button, that subscribe, and that bell for more videos coming up. And stay safe.